Want quicker access to your Tesla's features? The Tesla app now lets you add a fifth quick access control icon to your home screen. This gives you one-tap access to even more features, making managing your Tesla even easier. First, open your Tesla app. Make sure you're on version 4.20 or later. Navigate to the app's settings by tapping the profile icon. Then find and select Controls. Within the Controls menu, you'll see a Quick Access option. Tap on Quick Access to customize your icon layout. Inside the Quick Access menu, look for the Enable Fifth icon toggle. Switch this toggle to the On position. Once enabled, you'll see a new empty slot appear on your home screen where you can add your desired icon. If you do not see this option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, tap on the empty fifth icon slot. A list of available control options will appear. As of December 2025, you can choose from over 15 controls, including lock, unlock doors, honk horn, open front trunk, start climate control, check charge level, pet mode, camp mode, flashlights, and vent windows. Select the icon that best suits your needs. If your fifth icon isn't saving after you select it, ensure you have the latest version of the Tesla app. Some earlier versions had a bug that prevented the icon from saving correctly. If the issue persists, try restarting your phone or reinstalling the app. According to App Store reviews, recent patches have improved reliability for most users. Adding a fifth quick access icon is a simple way to personalize your Tesla app and streamline your daily driving experience. By taking advantage of this feature, you can put your most used controls right at your fingertips. Experiment with different icon options and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching.